What are 3 overlooked skills that every entrepreneur must master? Let's find out. So by the way, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Lots of great videos coming up. Don't miss out. The number one most overlooked skill that most entrepreneurs miss is what? It's presentation skills. Because as the saying goes, if you cannot present, you cannot win over your audience, right? So who's your audience? Every entrepreneur is a little bit different. But for most people, that means their team members, okay? It means their customers, and potentially it means future investors. Yeah, you want to become a great presenter. That's one of the biggest things you have to do as an entrepreneur. You have to present well. Kind of think Steve Jobs, right? He was a great presenter. And you want to be able to do that in front of people, sitting in front of you, but also of course online, right? On Zoom meetings, Zoom calls, and so on. Now, why is this skill so important? Well, very simple. It's not just important for the reasons I already mentioned. It's also if you can present well, all the other communication parts of business are usually easier, right? Meetings are much easier if you're a good presenter, okay? So you want to master this skill. Skill number 2 is productivity. It's really the art of getting shit done. And it's really the art of getting the most out of your time, out of your hours. Yeah, very productive people are very, very good at doing work that most people need 10 hours for, and they do it in 2, sometimes even 1, and they get it done, and sometimes even better. Many entrepreneurs work too hard, are overworked, yeah, feel overwhelmed all the time because they are these people who spend 10 hours. They're not very good with productivity. If you ask them, are you? They would say, yes, I am. Or, look how busy I am. Busyness is not productivity, okay? So you want to master the skill of becoming more productive. And number 3 of the overlooked skills is habit building. Yeah, and this could be really probably the most important skill and the most important skill that entrepreneurs don't build. Because what is habit building really all about? Because if you can make something a habit, what happens? It becomes very easy, correct? You want to become better at marketing your business, make it a habit. Because once it's a habit, it's an automatic thing, and that makes it much, much easier. Do you know what I mean? Most entrepreneurs, what are they good at? Again, busy, 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 boom, 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 getting the result one time. And then they relax and they don't do anything. That's not a habit. Well, that is a habit. It's not the best one. So any action, any activity that you want to take in your business repeatedly, you want to make it a habit. And again, most entrepreneurs are not very good at habit building because we're outcome driven, right? We're goal oriented. We get stuff done. But the easier way to everything is habit building. And I've made so many videos that can help you with that and create better habits. So there you have it, the 3 most overlooked skills, right? Presentation skills, productivity skills, habit building skills. These are the ones you really must master no matter what. The great news, that's what this channel is all about. Right? That's what we help you with. We help you build these skills. So again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on future videos if you believe these skills are important for you. I hope you do. Yeah, share below in the comments with me one time. Which of them do you have to work on the most? You have the most right now at this stage in your entrepreneurial journey. Okay, share that with me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.